Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Asim. I'm working as DevOps engineer. In this video, we are going to cover the third part in which we are going to create the auto-scaling group. So in my previous two parts, we have covered the first two steps of our implementation of the CICD on EC2 instance. So in this part, we are going to cover the third step. So what I'm going to do is to create auto scaling group. So this is the AWS auto scaling group. We have already covered the launch configuration with regard to that. So I'm going to call this auto scaling group as Cloud Geeks CA, call this AS. So if you click here, you will see nothing. And because the reason for that, we have done the launch configuration, which was the actually legacy one. So it is totally depend on you which type you want to set up for your application. So I've already switched to the launch configuration, and with the new latest, there is the EC2 launch template. So it is totally depend on you which type you're looking to set up. So let me just refresh my page, and okay, seems to be a little internet downtime. Let me just pause the video. I'll be back with you guys. So guys, this is the launch configuration I've set up. As I told you, you can set up the launch template as well. So it's totally depend on you. So click next, and I'm going to select my VPC. This VPC is deployed through the Terraform. So what I'm going to do uh, is to simply select the public subnets as for production. I highly recommend to use the private subnets. But this is the demo as I have to show you the CI/CD stuff. So our main goal is, you know, to focus on the CI/CD automated deployment on EC2 instance through the GitHub actions. So I'm going, I'm not going to use any load balancer here. So click next, and I'm going to select no notification here, and simply call this tag Cloud Geeks CA-app. So click next and create this auto scaling group. Okay, one more security group in the launch configurations is not linked to the VPC. So I guess there is some mistake in the launch configuration that I was unable to, add the launch configuration. Uh, I was unable to include the security group in that particular launch configuration. Let me navigate to the launch configuration and see what went wrong. So this is the launch configuration. So in case if this is wrong, so I'm going to select, I'm going to click the copy, and this is the copy of that particular launch configuration. So what I'm going to do is to simply navigate to the section where it says the security group to select. So the security group should be this one, which is relevant to that particular VPC. So that was a mistake. So I'm going to create a copy of that particular launch configuration, and I'm going to use this copy. So no issues with that. So what I'm going to do is to again navigate to the auto scaling group and try to create auto scaling group. and let's see whether we are successful or not. So Cloud Geek CA dash AS, and I'm going to navigate to the launch configuration, and I'm going to select the copy this time, Cloud Geek CA dash LC. So, so I'm going to select this particular VPC, and I'm going to select the public subnet, and I'm going to select the second public subnet. So click next. I'm not going to use any load balancer here. So click next, skip the notification, add tag, and I'm going to give this tag name, and let's try to create. Previously, the issue was with regard to the security group, which I have not selected. So it is currently in updating state, and we have successfully set up the auto scaling group. Now I'm going to navigate to the EC2 section and navigate to the instances, and you will see shortly one EC2 instance is going to be launched with that particular tag. So it is in the initializing state. So now what I'm going to do is to cover all these steps. So as far as the creation of auto scaling group is concerned, that is done. So in the fourth part, I'm going to create definitely cover all these steps. So if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.